Thank you. I thank the Honourable Member for the question. Thank you, Honourable Mr. Speaker, sir, on what the Ministry is doing to enforce the Code of Conduct for all public service vehicle operators, PSV. The enforcement of discipline and professional standards in our PSV industry remains a key concern for the coalition government. The LTA continues to take concrete steps to uphold the integrity of public service vehicle operations across the country. From January 2024 to August 2025, a total of 1,732 traffic infringement notices, TINs, were issued specifically under categories relating to misconduct by PSV drivers and passengers. This figure alone reflects both the scale of non-compliance and the enforcement response currently in place. Further to that, 188 PSV drivers were formally summoned to appear for show cause hearings during the same period. These hearings serve as a mechanism to review and, where necessary, suspend or cancel driver licenses for drivers who breach their obligations under their driving behavior. Mr. Speaker, the LTA continues to work closely with its stakeholders to build a more accountable and responsive transport system. Highlighted are several proactive initiatives led by the Road Safety Education Unit of the LTA to reinforce compliance. One, defensive driving courses for PSV drivers. Each year, an average of 500 PSV drivers undergo defensive driving courses, where the PSV Code of Conduct is a core model. Interactive sessions and group exercises are conducted to instill ethical conduct, professionalism, and road safety responsibilities. Operator engagement, the RSE team regularly visits major bus depots and bases, engaging directly with operators and drivers to reiterate the expectations of the PSV Code of Conduct. These engagements have proven to be effective in building awareness and accountability. Media outreach and behavioral change campaigns with support from the Accident Compensation Commission of Fiji, ACCF, under formal agreement signed in November 2024. We have been delivering coordinated awareness campaigns across various platforms, including billboard advertisements, media advertisements, Radio Fiji, Fiji TV, My TV, and CFL, magazine advertisements, Tevawa, Vitinikua, Pacific Island magazines, Fiji Times, social media influencers to reach younger audiences, TikTok influencers, print materials, posters, calendars, flyers, school patrol items, TVC productions, educational materials such as calendars, posters, and flyers, outreach activities like road safety through sports, road safety through Turani Koro empowerment programs. These are all part of a multi-channel approach to embed the principles of safety, respect, and service with the PSV sector. Mr. Speaker, sir, while enforcement is important, we acknowledge that lasting change requires consistent community education, cultural transformation, and strong collaboration with industry stakeholders. This is a space where we must do better, and we intend to. We are currently reviewing options to strengthen monitoring through digital surveillance, encourage public reporting of misconduct, increase visibility of enforcement officers in high-risk areas. There is also intention to leverage the LTA-ACCF partnership to further broaden our public messaging and create lasting awareness around driver conduct and passenger safety. The government remains committed to lifting standards across our public transport system, not just through enforcement, but through education, collaboration, and sustained engagement of our people. The Code of Conduct for PSV operators is not just a set of rules, it is a reflection of the kind of service we expect of our communities, one that is safe, respectful, and reliable. Upholding that standard requires effort from all sides, including all members of the House. I am pleading with you to please spread the message for safety on our roads and our vehicles and drivers, and generally in overall transport, the government, operators, passengers, and the public. We will continue to strengthen the systems in place, improve oversight, and invest in initiatives that support a safer, more professional public transport for all Fijians. Good night.